tayo ay hinubog ng ating mga nanay kung ano yung pagkatao natin ngayon. So, utang na loob natin sa mga ina.
Kailan ka magbabayad?
Hindi naman nababayaran ng utang na loob, eh. Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Janae.
I'm Naili.
Ayan, so for today's vlog ay papanoorin natin ang advocacy video ng isa sa mga delegates for the upcoming HIAS ng Pilipinas 2024. And it's going to be HIAS ng Pangasinan Province. That's
Rana Elaine Tamayo Lopez.
without any further ado,
Without any further kuda,
let's watch this.
Growing up, I was guided by my mother, a woman whose endless kindness inspired me every day. She molded me into the person I am today, teaching me the importance of giving back to others. Following in her footsteps, I too pursued the path of becoming a pharmacist. Her influence is the foundation of my advocacy, one that honors women, our culture, and our shared humanity. Even before joining pageants, my life has been dedicated to helping others. Community outreach was my way of sharing hope and love. But winning Lingas na Pangasinan Grant 2023 widened my ability to serve. It gave me a platform to reach more people, to extend my hands further in service. Along with my title of Lingas na Pangasinan Grant, I was honored to serve as the Ambassadress of Culture and Heritage for our province. From this, I witnessed the artistry of women weavers in Umingan crafting the abel.
Magaling pa.
Their work is more than craft. It's a tradition that speaks of our history, passed from generation to generation.
Nice.
Also, I've been part
Yung
of cultural
transition,
events such as the opening of the Banaan Museum, which celebrates our history and identity. My journey brought me to the significant landmarks such as the Capitol and the Manawag Church, where our history and faith come alive. I was also part of hosting Ganda Mo Pangasinan, a TV show that highlights everything our province has to offer. But at the heart of it all are the people. They are the true essence of humanity. They are the reason why I continue to serve, why I work hard to uplift and empower. Winning Lingas na Pangasinan Grant wasn't just a personal victory. It was a win for my town. Along with my title, my LG received a 1 million peso grant for the beautification of our community. And as I continue my journey, my heart remains with the women of Pangasinan. I draw inspiration from Orduha's courage and determination, just as she led her people with wisdom and grace. The women of Pangasinan continue to be pillars of strength. My mission is to honor this legacy by creating opportunities for women to rise, lead, and shape the future of our society. This is Rona Lilene Lopez, and this is my story.
So, aminin mo, nag-level up yung kanilang
Production.
video production, yung the entire yung ginawa nilang advocacy video from the past na mga videos ng representative ng Pangasinan. So, we're happy to see such an improvement, and also nagustuhan ko naman dun sa advocacy niya is, first of all, bago tayo mag-step out into something greater, we must thank our mothers, di ba? Kasi sila yung talagang ilaw ng tahanan. Like, we wouldn't be where we are right now. Most of us are, tayo ay hinubog ng ating mga nanay. Like, sila talaga yung sa atin, nag-impart sa atin ng values, ng, kung ano yung pagkatao natin ngayon. So, utang na loob natin sa mga ina.
kailan ka magbabayad? Kailan ka magbabayad?
Wala akong utang. Utang na loob. Hindi naman nababayaran ng utang na loob, eh.
Giving back as, siguro.
Soon, yeah. We'll get there.
Ako naman, actually hindi ako sanay na matawag siyang Pangasinan Province. Kasi di ba parang Quezon Province, ganyan. Pangasinan lang talaga. Parang ganyan. Pero natutuwa ako sa representative ng Pangasinan kasi ang ganda-ganda niya. Like, very Pangasinan sa beauty, ganyan. Tapos parang Erich. Yun nga, maganda nga yung video kaya sobrang entertaining na parang from the start to finish talagang papanoorin mo siya kasi marami silang mga pinakitang mga visuals and tied up to the women empowerment and tourism na rin, ganyan. So, galing-galing.
Oo, like,
Congrats.
nag-umpisa dun sa nanay and it doesn't end there. It's very, naging complex,
Yes.
including the culture, heritage, and arts of the province of Pangasinan. And yeah, we're excited. We can't wait to see more of what the beauty queens of Pangasinan can offer and how much they can contribute to the pageantry of the Philippines. And patuloy nating suportahan si Rona Lalaine Tamayo Lopez sa kanyang journey sa Yas ng Pilipinas. And thank you so much at sinamahan niyo kayo sa nagdaang video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
Ayun guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us. See you in the next video. Bye!